Hello children, let us begin our Geography Chapter 2, Physiographic Divisions of Karnataka. In the first video, we have discussed about the features of Karnataka and physical divisions of Karnataka. In the physical divisions of Karnataka, we have discussed the first one, the coastal plain, and the second one, Malnad region. Today, let us continue the third important region, that is Maidan region. The Maidan region is found in the east of Malnad and it is a very vast plain with a height of approximately 450 to 760 meters. And the area which is also suitable for irrigation, and the irrigated land is found across the river Krishna, the Tungabhadra and the Kaveri, and there are many ridges in this area. It has land sloping towards the east and rising in height from the north to south. And this Maidan region is also divided into two parts. One is the northern Maidan, second one the southern Maidan. Let us discuss about the northern Maidan. This northern Maidan is a vast plain land with black soil, and it is also extensive plateau, and it is found the important height 365 to 610 meters above the sea level, and it is also famous for hills and hillocks are seen in this place. Some of the important hills are Naragudda Hill, Parasagada Gudda, Gurumitkal Gudda, Ilkal Gudda, and the important area to the east of Saudatti and Badami are also famous for limestone with faulting. So Saudatti and Badami are located in the northern Maidan region, and it is also produce rugged landforms and is famous for waterfalls in this region. The famous waterfall is Gokak Waterfalls, and its height is about 62 meters, and it is located in Ghataprabha river. Chaya, Bhagavati, Sogala are the other important waterfalls we found in the northern Maidan region. And which are the important districts where we found in this region is Bidar, Vijaypura, Kalaburgi, Yadagiri, Gadag, Koppal, Raichur, Bellary, Haveri, Bagalkot and some other parts of Dharwad, Belagavi districts are located in northern Maidan region, and this region is very hot in summer, and therefore it is also called as a land of sunshine because it is very hot in summer. Let me see what are the important crops which are famous in this region is jowar, bajra, groundnut, cotton and pulses are mainly grown in this region. So these are the important dry crops which are grown in this region. Second important division is the Southern Maidan region. This Southern Maidan region extends the area from Tungabhadra river basin in the north to Chamrajnagar district in the south, and it is one of the important plateau with abundant red soil, and the land is uneven surface with many ups and downs, and its height is about 900 to 975 meters, and it is higher than the northern Maidan and slopes towards the east, and there are many hills we found in this region. Here is a photo of Mullayanagiri and the Madhugiri, the single monolithic single rock hill, Madhugiri hill, and some of the important famous hills are Chitradurga hill, Narayanadurga, Samanadurga and Shivaganga in Bangalore rural district, and this is Madhugiri hill in Tumkur district. It is one of the biggest monolithic hill in Asia. Nandi hills, Channakeshava hill, Kavaledurga, Skandagiri hill in Harihareshwara hill in Chikbalapur district are famous for these type of hills. Adi Chunchanagiri hill in Mandya district is also famous. Biligiri Rangana hill is also famous. Malai Mahadeshwara hill, Himagopala Swami hill in Chamarajnagar district. Chamundi hill you already know, it is famous in Mysore district, are prominent hills of this important Maidan region. And this area always rain shadow area of the Western Ghats, so it is not famous to receive more rainfall. We get less rainfall in this region. The important flowing rivers in this region is River Kaveri, River Palar and River Pennar are the important rivers of this region. And what are the important types of crops which are grown in this region is ragi, paddy, sugarcane, groundnut, mulberry, vegetables and variety of fruits and flowers are grown. Some of the important districts where we found in southern Maidan region is Davanagere, Chitradurga, Tumkur, Kolar, Mandya, Mysore, Chamarajnagar districts. Like this, the Maidan region approximately is about 450 to 750 meters, and the important rivers where they are located, the northern Maidan and the southern Maidan region. These are very important under this lesson. So just now we have discussed about the Maidan region. The main important points are this Maidan region we found in the east of Malnad, and it is a very vast plain, and its height is about 450 to 760 meters, and the irrigated areas are located across the river Krishna, Tungabhadra, river Kaveri. The Maidan region is divided into two divisions. One is northern Maidan, northern part, southern Maidan, southern part. So what are the important points that you have to know under northern Maidan region? It's a vast plain, famous for black soil, extensive plateau. Northern Maidan height is about 365 to 610 meters above the sea level. Famous waterfalls are located in the northern Maidan are Gokak waterfalls. Its height is about 62 meters height across the river Ghataprabha. And this northern Maidan region is very hot in summer. Therefore, it is also called as land of sunshine. Some of the dry crops which are famous for northern Maidan region is jowar, bajra, groundnut, cotton and pulses. So these are the important points of northern Maidan region. Second important division of Maidan region is southern Maidan region. In the southern Maidan, the area which extends from river Tungabhadra basin north to Chamarajnagar district south. And this important southern Maidan is a plateau which is abundantly found and famous for red soil and uneven surface with many ups and downs. And its height is about 900 to 975 meters, and the famous important monolithic hill which is famous in the southern Maidan is Madhugiri hill in Tumakuru district is the biggest monolithic hill in Asia. So these are the important points of the southern Maidan region. Now I will tell you the important meaning of these two terms. One is valleys. Valleys means a stretch of lowland lying between hills. Second one, gorges. Gorges means a narrow valley between hills or mountain, typically with steep rocky walls and a stream running through it. It is the meaning of gorges and meaning of valleys. So these are very important. Like this chapter 2, under the physiographic division of Karnataka, we have discussed the first point, the features of Karnataka, the three important physical division of Karnataka, the famous hills and highest peaks of Karnataka. Thank you, children.